Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here and welcome back to my channel. Today is our unboxing day for this awesome, durable phone from Honor Philippines. So this is the Honor X9D 5G, the brand new X9 series from Honor Philippines. So ito yung lumabas ngayong 2026 actually. At unboxing na tayo nito at we already did a drop test natin sa aking mga previous video at umatin tayo sa mga durability test ni Honor Philippines na event nila kung saan sinagasaan to ng Tesla Cybertruck and also its grand launching event nung nakaraan sa Grand Hyatt Hotel na na-reveal nila with the SRP price of 18,999. That's a standard price. But pag nag-pre-order kayo ngayon until January 23, 17,999 na lang siya. And you get a chance to win a brand new Tesla Cybertruck. Oh my God. Na worth 17 million, no? Grabe, ano naisip ni Honor? Ano naisip ni Honor na nagpaparapol sila ng Tesla Cybertruck, no? Well, kung mga lucky buyers na lang, no? Kung swertihin kayo, no? Makaka-uwi kayo ng Tesla Cybertruck. Kaya pre-order na kayo if you're interested to get this brand new phone. And okay, itong phone na to, no? Before we unbox this, no? Let's do a tech rundown, no? Kumbaga, this is my third time to shoot this video. Ibang location ako. Tapos na naman, ako sa studio ko dahil may mga dinagdag akong mga tech specs dito na nakuha ko from the launch event. So, before we unbox it, let's do a tech rundown of the Honor X9D 5G. Alright, let's do this. Alright, ito na yung tech specs ni Honor X9D 5G. For the display, meron siyang 6.79 inches AMOLED display. Dito screen niya is AMOLED. Meron siyang 1.33mm slim bezel design na meron 100% DCI-P3, 1.07 billions of colors at 120 Hz refresh rate. Uy, ang ganda ng screen nito na may resolution na 2640 by 1200 at meron siyang 800 nits typical brightness, 1800 nits HBM type at 6,000 nits APL types ng kanyang nits brightness, no? At meron siyang 3840 Hz PWM risk-free dimming. And meron siyang eye comfort, circadian night display, dynamic dimming, at ang pinakamaganda sa screen niya, kaya matibay, gumagamit siya ng Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Na-mention yan sa launch event. At nagulat ako na atong version na to, no, naka-Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, kaya matibay yung screen niya. And now for the body ni Honor X9D 5G, ang kanyang height is 161.9mm na merong width na 76.1mm at ang kanyang depth or thickness is 7.76mm. So manipis siya. At meron siyang 193 grams na weight, magaan din. At for the IP rating, very interesting yung IP rating niya. So merong nakita ko dito parang 4 kinds of IP rating. It's IP66, IP68, IP69, at yung pang-apat is IP69K. Ano ba itong mga IP69 na to? No, sabi dito, yung IPX9K ay can withstand splashes, rain, and high-pressure water exposure. That's the IPX9K. For the IP6X naman, sabi dito, it can keep out the fine particles like sand and dust. So, this is a dust and water resistance na talagang pinatibay pa. At pinaka-interesting dito, nakita ko sa launch event nila na minention niya na meron siyang high salt and high temperature environment na protection. No? Sabihin nito, high salt, so pero siyang basahin sa dagat. No? Kasi nakita ko yung mga samples nila doon sa mga test nila, yung lubog nila sila ng dagat. So, I think kung you're taking pictures, no, na nahibabaw ka ng dagat, no, walang worry kahit maasinan o mabasa ng konti ng tubig alat, protektado yung phone ninyo. Ayun, pinakamaganda rito, no? At meron siyang 2.5 meters na drop resistance. Ayan, 2.5 meters drop resistance. Parang ganito kataas lang yan. At meron siyang SGS Triple Resistance Certification. At meron siyang IEC 62262 Impact Resistant Test. So, dumato sa maraming test. At sabi dito, meron siyang industry's first aerospace grade non-Newtonian fluid shields internal components sa 3-layer. Ito yung pinagmamalaki ni Honor. No? Kumbaga, nababalot siya ng aerospace grade na Newtonian fluid. Kaya pala matibay, no, yung body niya, no. Kasi itong sinasabi nilang meron siyang 300% impact resistant and shock dampening. Yung force pala parang ina-absorb niya, parang nire-repel niya. Kaya pala pag hinagis mo yung phone o kaya nahulog mo, tumatalbog. Hindi siya yung parang lagapak siya. So that's the yung tawag nilang, meron siyang 6 layers impact resistant designs na bulletproof inspired shock absorption framework. Ito yung sabi nilang pag hinulog mo o nahalaglag siya, tumatalbog. Kaya pala tumatalbog yung phone, hindi nababasag. So yun yung parang pinatibay nila. 6 layers pa yung ginamit nila. Kaya talagang pinatibay nila yung body para hindi masira yung kaloob-looban ng phone tsaka yung labas na rin din. Alright, ganda ng body specs niya, no? And for the CPU naman, doon tayo sa CPU na gumagamit siya ng Snapdragon 6 Gen 4. This is octa-core na meron 4nm advanced processes at ang kanyang GPU is Adreno A810 and for the OS is Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15. That's the CPU and the OS. For the memory, the research ko tatlo yung kanyang style, no, na tatlong variant for the RAM, no, at saka storage, no. Merong 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. Yung pangalawa, 12GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. And yung pangatlo is 12GB of RAM plus 512GB of storage. For the Philippines, napansin ko ang available na nilabas sila dito, it's the 12GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. Yun yung kanilang, nakalagay dito. Yes, yun nakalagay eh. Yun lang talaga. Wala na ako nakitang ibang variant na in-offer na. Isa 256GB variant na may 12GB of RAM. And for the camera specs, the Honor X9D 5G. For the rear camera, this is a dual rear camera. Meron siyang 108 megapixel na merong 1.75 aperture. For the second camera is 5 megapixel na wide camera na may 2.2 aperture. Meron siyang OIS at meron siyang 10x digital zoom with the pixel image resolution of 12,000 by 9,000 at pixel video resolution naman 3840 by 2160 at can do 4K video recording. At meron siyang real single LED flash at yung kanyang capture mode sa rear camera is highlights capture, moving photo, AI photography, may aperture, night and portrait, including the beauty mode. Meron siyang pro version, panorama, filtered time-lapse photography, high-res, capture smile, slow motion, wide angle, multi-video, watermark, at scan, document, and timer. That's the specs for the rear camera. And let's move on to the front camera. For the front cameras, meron siyang 16 megapixel, may 2.45 aperture. Kanyang pixel image resolution is 3456 by 4608. For the pixels video resolution naman niya is 2520 by 1080. At for the front camera, can shoot 1080p video recording. At for the capture mode ng front camera, can do portrait, moving photo, filter, capture smile, mirror reflection, timer, gesture control, at meron siyang face recognition. That's the camera specs. At for the battery, ito na tayo pinakamalaking battery specs na nakita ko sa Honor, no? At meron siyang 8,300 milliampere battery. Kasi mga usually nakikita ko mga battery specs ng mga ibang phones nasa 6,000. Ito pinakamataas na nakita ko, 8,300 milliampere. Napakataas. Gumagamit siya ng lithium-ion polymer battery type na meron siyang 66 watts na wired charging. Yung charger niya is 66 watts at meron siyang 6 years of anti-aging battery. Matagal yung battery niya na maluma at meron siyang 3 days of battery life in one charge at meron siyang 7 hours na 2% standby mode. So pag 2%, kaya pa niya mag 7 hours na naka-standby at can do a 27.5 hours for Facebook browsing, 23 hours in YouTube, 22.5 hours for Spotify music playing, 16.8 hours of PUBG gaming at 16.9 hours of TikTok video playback. So yun, medyo mahaba-haba din. Actually, 8,000 to, parang tagal nito ma-charge. Pero 66 watts pa ka, I think mga 1 hour or full battery na to, no? For the other specs naman ni Honor X9D 5G, this is a 5G ready smartphone with a dual nano SIM at Wi-Fi 6, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Bluetooth niya is 5.2. Meron siyang PC data sync via Honor Suite. Meron siyang OTG. NFC, meron na rin din siya. Gumagamit siya ng USB Type-C port. At ang ear jack niya is USB Type-C. At meron siyang fingerprint at face recognition. For the sound niya is Honor Sound 7.3. Dual stereo speakers na rin din siya. Subukan ko na siya, napakaganda. At 400% louder. At meron siyang reverse charging feature. Pwede siyang mag-charge sa mga inyong mga earbuds, for example, or your smartwatch, or other phones pwede rin, no? At meron siyang smart thermal management system. Sabihin ito, can balance power used in extreme heat and cold. Kahit nasa mainit yung phone nyo, nagbabalance siya ng power because of this system. At kung malamig man, hindi siya mamamatay, it will still balance the power, no? Again, pag malamig, ilalakasan niya yung power para hindi mag-shutdown yung phone. So, meron siyang features na Honor's VC Ice Cooling System. This is the 5th generation hexagonical graphite with ultralight stainless steel to deliver fast, more efficient heat dissipation. So, meron siyang protection for the heat, no? Hindi ka basta-basta mag-overheat tong phone na to. At meron siyang Google Gemini, meron siyang AI writing tools, meron siyang all-in-one AI photo editing. That's include the AI eraser, eyes open, remove reflection, cut out at upscale. Napaka-helpful lalo ng AI eraser, na. For the body color, available siya in reddish brown, midnight black, sunrise gold at 4 screen. At I got the reddish brown smartphone na Honor X90 5G. For the SRP, na-reveal na. For the SRP, the regular price is 18,999 for the 12GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. Pero, pag nag-pre-order kayo from January 9 to 23, this 2026, yung promo nila is, ang price na lang is 17,999. That's 1,000 pesos off. But, when you pre-order, you get a chance to win a brand new Tesla Cybertruck worth 17 million. Grabe. At pag nag-pre-order kayo, you can get a free Honor gift box worth 1,499 plus a Jisoo Life 5 when Jisoo Life Life 5 when you claim on January 24. Grabe, dagsaan to sigurado ng mga mag-claim ng phone, no? So, umorder ka na ng smartphone na Honor X90 and you get a chance to win a Tesla Cybertruck. Yung Tesla, I think di siya binibenta dito eh. I think import pa to sa ibang bansa from Tesla. Kasi yung local dito, alam ko parang binibenta nila yung mga regular cars eh. I'm not sure, no? Pero grabe yung paraffle ni Honor ngayon. Honor Philippines, ang lupit ninyo, no? Pera ng Tesla nyo. Alright, so na-discuss na natin yung tech rundown ni Honor X90 5G. Let's do the unboxing. Setup ko muna to actually, tapos buting-tingin natin siya, and also I'll be showing you some samples ng video and photos na kinuna ko with using the Honor X90 5G. Alright, ito na. Unbox na natin. Let's do this.
Alright, ito na. This is the Honor X9D 5G from Honor Philippines. Ang ganda ng kulay ng kanilang reddish brown body at very stylish ng kanyang dating, no? So I got the 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage. So ito siya. So let's check out the rear camera. Ito yung triple rear camera niya. Ayan. Ganda. Ganda, grabe. And also, this is the front camera. Ayan. O kama, yung top niya. Yung gilid niya, para siyang gold eh. Parang gold yung color nung kanyang yung parang metal. Ito yung metal na nagpa-protect din sa mga drop ng phone eh, para hindi siya masira. So, heto siya. So, we have a speaker grill dito. I think this is a microphone. Ayan. Sa left side is very clean. Uy, very clean sa side niya. Sa bottom, yung kanyang SIM tray, may microphone na maliit, pin, USB Type-C, speaker grill dito. Sa right side, there's a power button, tsaka volume. So, yung kanyang fingerprint is nasa screen, kamukha nito. Ayan. Mabilis yung kanyang recognition sa fingerprint. Also sa face recognition din, swipe mo na lang din siya. Ganun ang niya, activation niya. Nag-wake up and swipe up, na-detect niya yung aking face recognition. So check natin yung yung SIM tray. Very na curious ako, what's under the hood, di ba? So wala siyang na-mention na pwede siyang mag-micro SD card. So since dual na SIM to, gusto kong ma-check na rin din. And here we go. Boom. Oh, tama nga. So wala siyang way to add a micro SD card. So you're stuck with 256 GB of RAM. Storage pala. At syempre, kung available yung 512 GB, sana available na para mas malaki yung storage. So, pero anyway, maganda naman yung body na nakuha natin from Honor Philippines. At I'm very excited to do a drop test na rin din. Drop test na kagad sa table, no? Grabe. So, let's check the camera. Pinagmamalaki nilang camera, no? It has a, let's say, a 108 megapixel for the rear camera. Ayan. Check natin to, no? Kanina pala I mention, sabi ko triple, no? Hindi pala siya triple, dual rear camera lang pala siya. It's the 108 tsaka 5 megapixel. Sorry, nasa-mention ko kanina kasi nalito ako, flash nga pala tsaka itong isang dito is only a 108 megapixel OIS design. So, feeling ko wala siyang ganun ka power zoom, no? So I guess importante lang niya dito is meron siyang 0.6x na wide, 1x na rin din for standard, and 3x yung kanyang zoom na medyo magandang quality, but pwede mo siyang i-zoom up to 10x. So wala siyang power zoom, but still it's a good phone na rin din. Mas importante rin sa akin yung 0.6x for taking wide angle shots. So meron siyang 0.6x. And for the video na rin din, ganun din, 0.6x na rin din siya at 1x for the standard, 2x for yung zoom, up to 8x yung kanyang zoom. So, talaga siya, 10x zoom lang talaga yung rear camera nito for photography at 8x zoom for video. For the selfie naman, mirror natin. To selfie ito ako, naka-portrait mode tayo. Ayan. Hello. So, wala siyang wide angle for the selfie. At for the video, then wala siyang wala siyang wide angle. So nakakalungkot. Wala siyang wide na selfie, no? So wala siyang ganun. So meron siyang night mode, portrait, photo, video, pro mode, and some more. Ito na yung aperture, multi-video, slow-mo, multi-video, it's the dual video. Ayan, dual video yan. Ayan, dual video. Ito yung daliri ko sa likod. Ayan, ito tsura niya. At pwede mong baguhin yung style. Ayan, pwede pag ganito. Ayan, para kunyari kayo. Ayan, video call kunyari. Pero ganda. Very nice. Very useful na rin din to. And others, time-lapse stickers, high-res, tsaka scan document. Very gustong-gusto ko ito. Pag nag-picture ako ng mga resibo, tsaka mga document, yung mga press releases. Very useful din siya. So, this is the Honor X9D 5G, no? So, ito yung kanyang style at magagawa tayo ng mga samples, no? I'll be doing a sample for photo and video and also drop test na rin din. So, start na tayo, no? I'll pakita ko sa inyo yung photo nito. Ito, panoorin nyo. At for our video samples, panoorin nyo for the front and rear camera. Alright, we are doing a vlog test using the front camera of the Honor X95 5G. We're here in Chowking. So ito yung rear camera. Here's Aaron. Ayan. Chowking kami, Chowking. Ayan, this is the rear camera, 1X. So wala din palang way to shift to the wide angle. Ano ito, press stop. Ito na yung wide angle niya. Ayan. So, dito press stop, no? May zoom siya. Ay, wala siyang zoom. So, nakalock na rin din siya. Ayan. Nakalock. From bayong to. Sana banana leaf na lang yung binalot mo. So, antay ko yung food ko. Ayan, check natin yung video lang nito kung maganda. Ito na. So, may music, no? Narinig nyo. Maganda rin dito, no? Meron siyang noise reduction. Pinutin ko, may noise reduction. So, yung ingay, mawawala. Ang maririnig nyo lang is yung boses ko.
Ay, maganda rin yung video niya.
Okay. Malinaw yung video, malinaw yung video. Okay, kung ito yung pagkain ko.
Pwede ka sa laki.
Right, shooting at the front camera. We're here sa Toy Kingdom. Okay ba yung video? Front camera pa lang to. Let's switch to the rear camera. And this is the rear camera. Okay ba? Tingin tayong Lego. Lego Ninjago. Ay, ito pala yung mga animals na iba. Ay, yung mga extinction na animals. Grabe, nakakatawa naman itong mga to. Pero nakakalungkot. Ang dami pala dito. Oh, Blockers yan, Spider-Man. Hindi, Lego yan eh. Lego yan. Kano to? 850?
Kalaban ng Blockers yan.
Hindi, Lego yan eh. Mahal yan. At syempre, ito na yung test natin, no? Yung drop test natin sa Honor X90 5G. Alright, panoorin nyo to. Ay!
Gagi. Ito.
Tanggalin mo yung casing.
Ayoko. Mami.
Okay, drop test na natin to. Ay! Yung screen protector nag-bubbles ka agad. Oh, it's okay. Ay! It's alive. Alright, no, I'll be creating a review, no, yung after nito nating i-drop test, no, kasi talagang ano yun, yung tibay talaga nito eh, ayan, no, na-drop test natin siya, na-drop test na natin siya dito. Kabago-bago lang itong phone na to, binabalibag natin sa table, no, so yun, gawa ko ng ending ng video na to. No? So, panoorin nyo na lang after our test. Alright, let's do this.
Alright, that's the end of our video featuring the Honor X9D 5G. May unboxing, may tech specs rundown, mga drop test, also picture and video test. Meron pa akong ibang video here in my channel. No? Kasi meron akong video dito na feature yung event namin with the Tesla Cybertruck, yung durability testing natin, tsaka yung launching event niya, which I shot the event using my Honor X9D 5G. Para makita niyo yung video quality niya. Actually, nagustuhan ko to for the concert ni Sponge Cola. Napakalinaw ng pag-capture ng audio niya, tsaka ang linaw. Nagustuhan to, parang, I guess, palaban yata to for sa mga concert. Wala siyang parang super zoom, but parang pwede na. Palaban So, I'll do more tests. Gagawa tayo ng more video kung pwede ba to sa pang-concert. Alright, I'll end on my video here. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video, vlog, adventure. Alright, Honor X9D 5G. Yeah! Nahulog na. Okay, bye-bye.